Okay, so we are going to learn how to create a PayPal invoice to bill our customers. Now, I've already logged into my PayPal. You're going to want to make sure you have a business PayPal, and you want a business PayPal in which you'll accept funds both by credit card and also through invoicing. So there's two types of business PayPals. I'm going to scroll down and I'm going into create an invoice. So I typically sell jewelry, and I'm going to create the invoice for myself. So you are going to want to get your customer's email address in order to do this. And I love using PayPal to send my invoices and create my shipping labels because it really puts the onus on the person who is providing their email address to provide the correct information for shipping. And also, PayPal gives you a shipping discount instead of if you were to take it right to the post office. So as you see, right when I went ahead and I entered my email address, then I went down and I'm able to enter in a description for what I'm billing that person. Now, because I've used PayPal so many times, my items automatically saved within my account. So once you create invoices, if you're selling the same things over and over again, it's going to kind of save that information for you so you can autofill it and use it for quick and ease. So let's say that I sold my customer 3 bracelets. So all of my jewelry is $5, and it automatically, I'll scroll back here so you can see, it automatically goes ahead and fills that in for me. And then I have the option of adding in my tax right here, which I live in Michigan, and I can automatically add a new tax, or it autofills my tax because I've created invoices before, or I can select no tax. So sometimes I do things where I offer promotions and I will not go ahead and charge tax that night. So it's kind of like a benefit to my customers. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to fill that in. And then let's say that I sold some earrings. And then I changed the quantity to however many I sold. We'll say that I sold 1. And my Michigan tax automatically fills in for me. And then let's say that I sold a hair accessory. So my Michigan tax automatically fills in for me. So far I have these 5 items on my invoice. If you notice, it creates the subtotal here for me. And then it gives the Michigan sales tax. So the only thing that I have to care for is if I were to offer a discount. So if I had a special going, Paparazzi, you are not allowed to offer a discount on items. So that's specifically for jewelry. But if you sell any other type of product, then you would go ahead and add your discount in here. Now, it also, depending on what type of industry you're in, allows you to get a partial payment. Or, say a customer had a really big order of $500. You could go ahead and click this, and you could say allow partial payment. And then you could tell them the minimal amount due. So let's say they had a huge invoice of $250. And they said that they would pay you on Friday. You could ask them for $50 now to secure those items, and you could send them this invoice. Now, if you're in a service industry, it also allows for your customer to add a tip, so you can go ahead and select that as well. Terms and conditions. I know that a lot of people, especially if you have a specific return policy, will go ahead and notate that here. You can just say thank you for your business in this section, but terms and conditions over here is specifically for things such as, you have a 3 days to contact me if there's anything wrong with the item for return, or I do not accept returns, things of that nature. Now, it also allows you to attach files. I could attach files specifically stating, the picture. If for instance, I could attach the pictures of the necklaces that I just sold, or I could attach my return policy if I had that already set out and printed out. So I can go ahead and I can preview my invoice, and it'll show you this is what the customer is going to see. Now, had I added those extra features or commentary down at the bottom, such as terms and conditions, those would appear here. So now I have the option of sending this, and I am going to do that. I'm going to send the invoice, and there we go. It says we've sent your invoice number 0238. So that concludes how to create an invoice through PayPal. Stay tuned for more training videos of mine, specifically how to ship through PayPal as well. Thank you so much.